Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about the question of whether we are alone in the universe has intrigued humanity for centuries. The notion of alien life, once relegated to science fiction, is now a topic of scientific inquiry and contemplation. As our understanding of the cosmos deepens, so does our curiosity about the potential existence of life beyond our own planet. 1. The search for exoplanets. In recent years, the discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has expanded our understanding of the universe's diversity. Some of these exoplanets reside in the habitable zone, where conditions might be suitable for liquid water to exist, a fundamental requirement for life as we know it. 2. Extremophiles and Earth's extraterrestrial analogues. Earth itself provides clues to the potential for alien life. Extremophiles, microorganisms that thrive in extreme conditions, have been found in some of the most inhospitable environments on our planet. These organisms suggest that life could potentially exist in extreme environments on other planets, such as subsurface oceans on moons like Europa and Enceladus. 3. The building blocks of life. Carbon-based chemistry is the foundation of life as we know it. The discovery of organic molecules on Mars and the confirmation of water ice on its surface have fueled speculation about the possibility of microbial life or its remnants on the red planet. 4. SETI and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence (SETI) involves listening for radio signals or other technological signatures from advanced civilizations. While no definitive signals have been detected, the quest continues as technology advances and our ability to survey the cosmos expands. 5. The Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox raises a thought-provoking question: if the universe is vast and potentially conducive to life, why haven't we encountered other civilizations yet? Various hypotheses, ranging from the rarity of intelligent life to the possibility of civilizations self-destructing, are proposed to address this paradox. 6. Technological advancements and alien encounters. Advancements in telescopes, space probes, and other technologies are giving us unprecedented insights into the cosmos. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope (JWST) promise to reveal more about exoplanet atmospheres, potentially providing further clues about their habitability. 7. Defining life beyond Earth. The definition of life might expand as we encounter forms of life vastly different from our own. Non-carbon-based life, or life with fundamentally different biochemistry, challenges our current understanding and pushes the boundaries of what we consider alive. 8. Philosophical and societal implications. The discovery of alien life, even in microbial form, would have profound implications for humanity's perspective of its place in the universe. Philosophical, ethical, and societal questions about our relationship with potential extraterrestrial neighbors would inevitably arise. Conclusion. While we have yet to find conclusive evidence of alien life, the exploration of this topic is not just an exercise in curiosity, it reflects our innate human desire to explore and understand the universe around us. As science and technology advance, the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth remains an exciting and intriguing journey that has the potential to reshape our understanding of existence itself. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.